today's convention, at the beginning, I like to speak about the Bangladesh political leader character. Because I have the right to speak about Bangladesh everything. Bangladesh, our country, I love Bangladesh, I respect Bangladesh constitution, I love the Department of Justice. My friend, I am telling everyone, why our country, economic crisis, technology problem. Because it's a problem in our country, most of political leaders, stupid and corrupted. That's why our country destroy everything. In the next election, member of parliament, we don't want corrupted leader in our country. We want leader in our country, corruption free, same Mahmudur Rahman Manna. Mahmudur Rahman Manna, he has lot of experience about Bangladesh, everything, intelligent political leader. He can protect Bangladesh, everything. That's why we will vote, support, speaking for Manna. It is our responsibility. I thank you all. Goodbye.